Now, over in Manchester, residents are on edge following a threatening phone call made to cops this week. The caller reportedly demanded the release of the alleged leader of the Grey Ground gang in the parish, Rowan Smiley, or else. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Head of the Manchester Police, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, confirmed that the caller, who claims to be a relative of Mr. Smiley, threatened to kill residents if their demand was not met.
2 phone calls were made to the CID, person making threatening remarks that they will kill persons in Mandeville every day, starting yesterday, if we did not release Mr. Smiley. Well, I'm going to hasten to say that Mr. Smiley will not be released.
Details of the threat have been making the rounds on social media. The Manchester Chamber of Commerce says it's causing fear among residents and business operators in the parish.
We can't verify how serious the threats are, right? So we have to take instructions or guidance from the police, and as business people, we just encourage persons to be extra careful, be on the lookout, and whatever information that they may have, to share it with the police.
We have taken note of the threat reports, and we have done a number of things practically in increasing our presence in the hotspot areas. And I'm talking about Grey Ground, Three Chains, Royal Flat, and surrounding communities. And our presence in the township as well, to ensure that we can keep our residents safe.
However, a relative of Rowan Smiley has denied that the family is behind the threat of violence against citizens.
Why are we going to just walk around and just take innocent lives? We're not stupid. We're not going to just go around. Trust me, we leave our vengeance to God, and there's no way for us to take the law into our own hands. So our point is, officer, law enforcers, go ahead, do your investigation and do it thoroughly and correctly.
The relative says the family has been fearful since the threat was made public. Mr. Smiley is in custody in relation to several murders in Manchester. Herman Green, TVJ News.